Now it's all ready. Garnish with coriander and then gently take this out like this, put it on plate, and it is ready to be served. These are the vegetables I'll be using for pulao. Details you will see as we go in the video. And then masalas, what gets used. So typical Indian house, you will find all these masalas at home. These are the clean and cut vegetables. You can see curry leaves, mint, coriander. Then you have ginger, garlic, chili, beans, carrot, potato, onion, tomato. Then I have Nutrimalt and also peas. I'm showing my skill on how I cut onion. So you see, isn't it like a pro? Now this is cut and ready. I'm keeping this basmati rice soaked for 30 minutes, and meanwhile also egg curry is getting ready. I'm not going to show how that is made. So first thing is grinding this ginger garlic paste. So I have this mixie. If you don't have, you must get this whenever you're coming from India. It's quite handy. And this is finished now. You see, the grinding is done. In pressure cooker, I'm putting this ghee or clarified butter. There are few things which I'm trying to avoid because my toddler does not like the masalas. But for sure, the pulao is not complete without these masala. So curry leaf goes in, and then goes mustard and cumin seeds. As you can see here, this is mustard and cumin seed. Once you hear the crackling sound, you put these onions and then saute the onions like this. Let it become translucent. Keep doing this. And then you add the ginger garlic paste to this like this. Once this is added, saute this till the raw smell goes away. You see, onion is now translucent. You can add the chili now. Here I am putting 4 chili, you can see. And then I will saute this. Once this is done, add the vegetables. Beans goes first and keep sauteing. Don't worry about what you see at the bottom. Once there is moisture, you will see all this disappear. Then goes carrot. Keep sauteing. You see, the bottom is getting clean. Then goes the potatoes. Saute a little more. And then goes peas. Then saute again. And you see, it's becoming a nice mix. Now you add the mint leaves. This actually goes before. I had forgotten, but it will still work. You'll see. Saute some more and then add this Nutrimalt, which I have. I like to add this. Vegetable is cooked to almost 40 to 50%. I'm adding turmeric and then cumin. Then goes little pepper powder, and then goes the coriander. Add salt and then the chili powder, and then goes 2 tomatoes. You can see here. Once all these are added, give it a nice stir. Let it cook like this, and then it's time to add the rice. So just add rice on this. So once the entire rice is transferred, just give a little mix. Add water, that is 1.5 times the rice. So you can see here water has been added, and then giving a stir like this. Once this is done, it's time to close the cooker and wait for one whistle. So just one whistle is enough, and once that is done, I am moving this cooker out of this hot plate and let it cook by itself with whatever heat the pressure cooker has. So you see, now it's all ready. Garnish with coriander, and then gently take this out like this, put it on plate, and it is ready to be served. You saw how simple this is? If I can make, you too can make pulao at home and relish this beautiful dish.